Hi everyone. Today our fifth period online. We're going to talk about safety rules. We're going to use the Microsoft Excel. We did this assignment before in the school. Some of the students already attend this class and some of them was absent. That's why I'm going to send it once again to do it. I want some of the students already did it as well, and I already checked. They have to do it once again, is not a problem. Okay, just for a training. Our objective of today, how to identify or develop a strategy to solve a problem, and our success criteria, how to classify many types of safety, identify how to use wrap text, and create a list of safety rules using Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's start. You're going to open Microsoft Excel. This is how it look like the output in the end. As you see here, we insert the word art, our own solutions. Then you're going to write many type of safety. You don't have to stick to the safety that I wrote here. You can write any type of safety. Here I write environment safety, road safety, safety rules about facing stranger, water safety, internet safety. Okay. Let's see if we I'm gonna take this copy, because I don't need to write it again. Copy, and I'm going to paste it here. We're going to start from row. We're gonna leave column A is empty, and we start writing from B6. And the rule here, we're gonna write it in C5. Let's see. I'm gonna paste it from here. We're gonna write in A and B, C. Let's make B bigger and C as well. I'm gonna paste my work. Okay. When you write long things like this, it will be written like that without using the wrap text. As you know from the previous assignment, we was using a wrap text as well. If you look here, for example, if this long, you're gonna click wrap text, it will be written inside one cell. But you need to write only in C, not in D or E. Then you click on C, then you click wrap text, here as well, wrap text, here as well, wrap text, here also wrap text. Okay. For example, this safety rules about facing a stranger, it was like this. Some part is not showing. You're gonna click wrap text, it will show all of it. Okay. Here we're gonna write the rule. What is the rule for this? And let's see how we make a borders. I'm gonna remove this border and I say what? No borders. How to add this dots borders. Actually, we need to use here, you can use bold, you can change the size, put any color you want, you can design it as you want. Let's see how to do the borders. This dots border. Normally, if we want to put borders, we say all borders. We need to put only outside border. There is outside border here actually, but I want to change the style. We're going to something called line style, and we click on one of the line style here. You can select any line style, the thick one. For example, I'm gonna use this one. It will show like a pencil. Then I start highlight, like I'm still holding the mouse. Then I move down till the end of the part that I need to do the border. Then I'll leave my hand from the mouse, but it's still doing borders. If I click anywhere, it's still doing borders. You need to click escape on the keyboard, as I mentioned before, ESC, or you can go to the borders again, or just click escape. And how I erase this border that I did by mistake, then I go here again to the borders, then I click erase border. It will be like showing like eraser. You can erase whatever there, but eraser is still open. You click escape as well to go back to the normal way. Okay, then in the end you can add a clip art here or a photo or anything. You know how, insert pictures or online picture or a clip art. Okay, then you add the picture here. Just I want to show you once again how to do the borders, because it's very important. Again, for example, if I want to erase it, I can erase it. For example, I'll show you how to erase it. For example, you did some mistakes here by using when you are doing the borders. See, what I'm doing is erasing the borders. See, I erased some parts from it. You can erase whatever also. You can erase this one, erase this and this, this, this and this. Let's do it again. Go here to the borders, then go to the line style, select any line style you like, then start drawing your border. And that's it for today. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye.